cell diagram of an electrochemical cell or galvanic cell. Two parallel lines indicate salt bridge. This portion is oxidation half cell and this is reduction half cell. Given that standard reduction potential of zinc minus 0.76 volt, standard reduction potential of anode which is minus 0.76 volt, and standard reduction potential of cathode, this is plus 0.337 volt. These values have been given. We have to calculate standard EMF of the cell and cell reaction. Cell reaction is possible or not? This is what we are going to learn today. So let's get started. This is cell diagram of an electrochemical cell or galvanic cell. We know EMF of the cell, which is standard E cell. There is an equation we know. Standard reduction potential of cathode minus standard reduction potential of anode. This is the equation we know. Now, putting these values in this equation, we get standard reduction potential of cathode, this plus 0.337 volt minus standard reduction potential of anode, this minus 0.76 volt. This equals to plus 1.097 volt. Value of E cell, electromotive force of this cell is positive. This positive value indicates spontaneous cell reaction. That is, here cell reaction is possible. Now let us see cell reaction. Oxidation half cell, that is anodic oxidation. Here zinc donates electrons and this is reduction half cell which undergoes cathodic reduction. Copper 2 plus accepts these two electrons to form solid copper. Now cell reaction is on the right side, we get cell reaction. Here this cell reaction is possible because EMF of the cell is positive. Cell reaction and EMF of the cell. Thanks for watching.